Welcome everybody to our Green Acres. I'm so glad you came over to our channel today. And if you are new to my channel, I want to introduce myself. My name is Teresa. Today I'm going to bring y'all along and show y'all how I've decorated my home for the fall and the autumn season. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd love for you to. And also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Thanks so much. I'm going to first take y'all along to our gathering room. I had taken this window down from above our sofa in my previous video, and I'm going to link it down below. But I'm just trying to change things around, and you will see the new sign that I got to replace this window over my sofa later on in the video. But this is our gathering room. It's a small area. When we purchased the home, this was where it was more of a dining area. So we decided the space worked better for us if we just added a little sofa because it's sitting right in front of our wood burning stove. So we enjoy this little space to sit in the mornings, drink our coffee, and we get to enjoy the fires in the fall and the winter seasons. If you haven't joined my Facebook home decor page, I'd love for you to go over and join it, and also go over and follow me on Pinterest and Instagram. Now our gathering room joins as an open area to our kitchen. Now I'm going to link some videos down below of the history of our home and how we have remodeled it. The kitchen didn't look anything like this when we purchased the home. It was in a more of a capsulated of cabinets. So we took it all down. We did open shelving concept just to open up the little small kitchen that we do have. And we made it more open to the little gathering room. So I'll let you see how I decorated our kitchen and added some fun fall details to the open shelving.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and just a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne.
Before I show you our bedroom tour, I'm going to show you a very simple DIY I did. I purchased that tray that had legs on it at Goodwill a few years ago. I took the legs off of it, and I already had DIY'd this project before I had my YouTube channel, but I just went over it with some chalk paint. I distressed it, and I've used it for a couple of years just like this in our master bathroom. Well, I decided while I was changing things up, you know, I love stencils, and I just purchased this new stencil from my friend Jackie over at RuthandRuby, and I'm going to link Jackie's information down below. So if you want to go over and shop her store, she always offers my viewers a discount. So I love this Jamie Ray vintage stencil. To me, it just screams fall with the cotton and the you know, quote on it. So I'm going to take again a Jamie Ray vintage stencil brush, and I love this stencil brush. So if you're looking for a good one, I highly recommend this one. I'm going over it with black ink chalk paint, and then I'm just going to go around. And I've always told you when you stencil, just do it in layers. Then I'm going to, you know, lift it up, and I thought this just really added just a great fall touch to this tray. So remember, when you're decorating your home, look around your home. Just see if there's some pieces you may already have, and just refresh those pieces. Just, you know, just a little adding a stencil or just any kind of a detail to it. You can change the whole look to it.
For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang.
This was a centerpiece I put together for my daughter's wedding. I loved it so much, I decided I wanted to keep it, so I'm adding this in on top of our dresser drawers that are in our bedroom. And I thought it added just a special touch, and it also allowed me to keep a little bit of pink in the room. I got this beautiful distress lantern on Amazon, and I'm going to have it linked in my store. This is a small size, and they also have a large one. I thought it went great with my candlesticks. This is a wreath I DIY'd in a previous video, and I'll link it down below. I just added some Dollar Tree pumpkins to it, and it just added that fall detail that I needed. I'm just going to pan y'all around to the other side of our bedroom just so you can see. It's a very large room, but I love that. And there's a lot of spaces in here that I can decorate with. The pillow covers on our bed, those are from Amazon. I decorate with these every year because they are my favorites. They will also be linked in my store. And when you get finished with them for fall, you can just flip them around because they're white on the back. And I think they make lovely pillows just being plain white.
Should old acquaintance be forgot, and days of old lang syne, for old lang syne.
I clipped some hydrangea blooms from outside. I hung them up and I let them dry. Once they were dry, to preserve them, I sprayed them with some hairspray. Pair them with your little white pumpkins, and I think they make a great accent piece for any vignette in your home.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of
Now the sign above our sofa, as I mentioned in my previous video, it was purchased from Lone Star Art. They offer my viewers a 15% off if you use the code GREENE15. I'm going to leave all their information down below, so if you'd like to get a sign or go out and shop their website, all their information will be in my description box.